Timesaver 1. Imagine you're in the MIDI editor and you want to make a change in the actual instrument. There is a button for that, Edit VSD Instrument. You can also add it to your track header, but you can also add a key command to it even faster. And I chose N for instrument. And voila, nice and quick. Timesaver 2. If you want to select all but a few events, you can do Command or Control A to select them all, and then hold Command or Control to deselect some. Or you can select the ones you don't want to select, and then invert the selection using Option Command I or Alt Control I. Same thing in the MIDI editor, like this. Timesaver 3. You know that you can move MIDI notes up and down using the up and down arrows, and if you do it while holding Shift, they move an octave. But if you want to copy them and move them an octave, you'll have to pull one of these. Copy them, hold Option or Alt and drag, move them down an octave, and then move them back up a note. If you do this often, you'll be better off making a macro. This one. First, add locate selection start to paste it back at the same location. Then copy, and then you'll have two macros, one for up and one for down. So transpose +12 and -12, and then paste. I assigned it to page down, which is not on my laptop, but I do have it on my pretty Cubase keyboard. So select some notes, use the key command, and it copied them one octave down. Timesaver 4. Let's say I want to duplicate these notes to the next bar. Command or Control D, and then they end up right behind what was the last note. You can move them, or use the range tool, select the whole bar, and then duplicate. But the range tool selects them all. So if I only want these, for example, I can use a macro. For me, it's Shift D. And this is the macro, locate selection start, copy, paste, and nudge. This nudge is related to the quantize setting though, so you might have to change that before duplicating this way. It's whatever's faster for you. Timesaver 5. You've been here before, you've recorded something and you don't want this part or this. Maybe you do it with the range tool, gone and gone. But you can be just as precise, though a little faster, if you use crop range like this. And you can find that in the key commands menu as such. If you found this useful, also check out my other Timesaver videos in the description. Thanks for watching and have fun making music.